Hello my friends, I hope you are very well. In this video we are supposed to practice the subject, which is how to make an animation and animate the furnitures. Alright, let's get to it. So we should click on this icon, movie, yes. And then I click on one of these blank parts and then record here, good. And I specify how the camera moves. For example, I want my camera to move from this angle, yes. And then I click on this add camera keyframe. And then I wanna displace here, yes, a little bit upper from this angle, good. After that, eventually I want my camera to be here, outside of the house. For example, here is good. You're able to change the time of your animation here. As you can see, you can make it shorter here or make it longer. It's your choice. The movement rate is in your control. You can make it go faster or slower. Alright, after you did specify it and change the time of it, you can save it. At first you need to click on this icon, add effect, and then camera here, and then click on handled camera here so that it can make the movement of our camera better. Alright, let me show you how it works when I play it here. Okay, yes, it will be like that. See? Okay, let me adjust some items of it. Alright, and focal length, let me increase it, good. Well, in the movement path of the camera, I want the camera to focus on this point here. So here I should click on this, look at fixed point. And after that, I need to edit look at point here, good. And you need to click on this point and okay, good. Well, as you can see, as it moves, it only focuses on that point here. Well, we have made the move animation so far, and its keyframes and the movement of its camera. Well, at the moment I want this chair and okay, this sofa here and these flower pots to be moved into our scene gradually. Right, in order to do that, add effect here, animation, good. Not this time, not advanced move. Let's get to move here. Alright, let me show you first here that here edit, good. And let's move one of these objects here. For instance, this sofa here, I want its start position to be here from this part. And for end position, yes, the previous place that it has been before. Alright, let me take a look at it from this angle here. Or we can move it a little upper here, move it vertical. Alright, okay. Let me click on edit and move it upper, yes. For example, it goes down from the upstairs. Okay, let me play it and show you how it works. As you can see, as the camera moves, the sofa is going down and is being set. Alright, okay, as you can see, that's it. Let me get to add effect here again, advanced move. And by this advanced move, I'm able to change the time of this sofa movement. Alright, let's get to the beginning of my animation here and then click on edit. For example, let's move this chair to this place here, or maybe here, or we can set it here. Yes, that's fine. And we can rotate it as well, like this. Let me fast forward the clip here. For example, add 3 seconds of it. And I need to add keyframe here. And after that, I wanna return it back here again. After that, I'm gonna move it here again. Yes. For example, here, and then rotate it. And when I play it, it would be like this. See? For example, at this point here, I am able to add a keyframe, another one. All right, let me save it here and play it so that you can see how it works. Well, as the animation is being played, the chair is rotating as well. Well, I am able to give it a time offset as well. And I can control the time of its movement here. For example, make a delay for it, or it can come faster or slower. It's up to you. All right, see, it would be like that. Well, so we can consider this for all the parts, for all the movements, for all the objects that you can see in this scene. These flower pots, table, even that cup of coffee, we are able to bring them into the scene in order, and they can be moved from another space, from up, anyway. And at the end, eventually I can render my video, my clip here by this icon, render movie. Yes. From this part I can select its quality, and in this part I can specify its frames per second. That means how many frames that I want it to be for per second. Well, 60 frames is the ultimate thing that we can have, and 30 frames with best quality is a good choice as well. Alright, and okay, in this part we can select each one of these, for example Full HD, and then I make my animation here. Alright, we should wait for it until our rendering is finished, which means it is rendering 30 frames per second, so that the output will be ready. Okay, I hope you got it, and this video would be useful for you. Have a good one.